In last class only we have discussed about the gametogenesis. What is the gametogenesis? It is the process of formation of male and the female gametes. Okay, now we will move for the gamete transfer. Once the male and female gametes are produced, the next process is the gamete transfer. Okay, means the fusion of male and female gametes. The male gametes come into contact with the female gametes. Okay, this we will call it, generally we will call it as a gamete transfer. In majority of organism, what happens? We know that male and female gametes. There are two types of gametes are there, male and female gametes. In majority of organism, what happens means male gametes are motile. They can move. Whereas the female gametes are non-motile. Means that the female gamete will not move. In some cases like fungi and algae, what happens means the both male and female gametes are motile. Where in some cases, except fungi. Okay, in fungi what happens means, fungi and algae what happens means, the both male and female gametes are motile. In simple plants like algae, fungi, bryophytes and pteridophytes, the water is the medium through which male and female gametes move. Means water is the medium. Water is the medium. Through the water, what happens means the male gamete and female gametes can move. Okay, where in some cases like simple plants like algae, fungi, bryophytes and the pteridophytes. Okay, here what happens means in simple plants, the number of male gametes are much more than compared to a female gametes. Means the male gametes the numbers more in number compared to a female gametes, because water is the medium here. Through the male gamete will move to the female gamete, right? So many times what happens means the male gametes are fail to reach the female gamete. Male gametes are fail to reach the female gametes. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ male gametes ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ the male gamete is more in number, where in simple plants like algae, fungi, bryophytes and the pteridophytes. Clear? Next, in higher plants, next we will move further. In higher plants what happens means, last class only we have studied about the stem and pistils, all that things. In higher plants, pollen grains are the carrier of male gametes and ovules has a egg. Pollen grain must be transferred from anther to stigma to facilitate the fertilization. Andra in higher plants flowering plants ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವಂದ್ರ the pollen grains are carrier of male gametes. The pollen grains ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ ಇಲ್ಲಿ male gametes and the ovule has the egg. Ovule means ovule has the female gamete here. The pollen grain must be, the pollen grains transferred from the anther to the stigma. From the anther to the stigma to facilitate the fertilization. So this is the anther, this is stigma. Okay, to facilitate the fertilization. To facilitate the fertilization. The transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma is called as the pollination. Sorry. The transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma is called as the pollination. What is the pollination means? The transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma is called as the pollination. The pollination may be self or a cross pollination. Pollination ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ self pollination ಮತ್ತು cross pollination ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. So self pollination ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Anther to stigma of a same flower. The pollen grains will transfer from anther to stigma of the same flower. ಒಂದೇ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಒಳಗಿಂದು ಪೋಲನ್ ಗ್ರೇನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಆಂಥರ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಿಗ್ಮಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಪಾಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಗೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಪಾಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ವೇರ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಪಾಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ದ ಪೋಲನ್ ಗ್ರೇನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆಂಥರ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಿಗ್ಮಾ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಗೆ ಹಂಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಪಾಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Pollen grains germinate on stigma to produce a pollen tube that delivers the male gametes near the ovule. ಈಗ pollen grains transfer adu. Okay, now the pollen grains will transfer. The pollen grains germinate on stigma. Okay, the pollen grains where it is transfer anther to the stigma, which is germinate on the stigma. The pollen grains germinate on the stigma to produce the pollen tube. ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು pollen tube produce ಆಗ್ತದೆ. That delivers the male gametes. That delivers the male gametes near the ovule. Near the ovule means female gamete. Clear? The next is the fertilization. We will discuss in the next class.